very too much because of some issue there. There was a team of people beating those people like it was crazy. Those people apparently they dead. They dead already. They throw them somewhere. And I got those video. And Mr. Neo Moela is part of those things. And all the video you see is inside included. Everything. I got everything you see. Guys, all I will say is I'll speak less. I'm not gonna try to make these things look like I'm there for something, but I'm gonna try to just make them understanding that we are living in a world that anything can turn. I was there, I saw, and I know what I'm talking about, and I got a lot of proof. You guys will be very disappointed too much that everything is going down and everything is going to shut down. They always speak about money. They have money, they can deal with everything. Those people cooperate with all the police, Sunnyside, Brooklyn, Mailing side, all the police, they're under the controlling. Those people are controlling them, paying the supervisor, this. And you guys need to know one thing. Those people, they are very smart. Very, very smart. And all the statement they write about Nzanzo, whatever, everything is fake. 100% fake. Is how the industry work. Is what we always do when we have problem. Where we are this, we call our fake police, this. We always do that. And I got enough proof. If you guys gonna also like to see some police's face when they pull up to do some, to get some people to take them away with this, I'll do it. I'll post everything. And you guys need to remember one thing more. All the information that I'm telling you, everything they will tell you is fake. People are asking, they hear my voice, this. Yes, when that operation is happening, there's no camera, there's nothing. I'm the only person who's going to the toilet, hiding the phone here, and being there around checking, and acting like we are hitting them, but I'm just talking, but in the same time, I'm taking video, because I cannot be taking video in those areas. It's not allowed. And there's no one who's taking video. I know.
Sanbanan, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to any video. Nyabonga kakhulu for tuning in. Wakhohlwa kusubscribe, like video, share video as well. So guys, kule channel I think angaze ngikhuluma ngalolu daba lwaseZanzo le night club ngase Pretoria ke bafethu ukuthiwa kwahlukunyezwa igenge yabafana nje abasebasha ngizothi igenge because kuthiwe they were aged 20, 21, 22 bahlukunyezwa. I think mase ngizokuthiwa that was 2 years ago, but ke kunobhuti okuthiwa Pablo owezalana ne proof ulokhu release ama video ke abonisa ke abantu behlukunyezwa laphana ngase eZanzo night club into ekanjalo bafethu ke selokhu ke kwaphutshuka lezi indaba ke zaseZanzo bayafuneka ke abanikazi bale night club ukuthiwa futhi ngathi operator ngokungemthetho la eMzansi owner wayo owner yale club ke kuthiwa ke ngathi ngubaba ongumFrench Tizeni angazi from Congo angazi mhlambe isebenzi nawama owner mhlambe they are Congolese, something like that. So ke kuthiwa kuhlukunyezwa abantu ke kule particular night club. Guys siwabonile ama video epostiwe lana online ngaze ngaba traumatized. Abantwana babantu kuthiwa bebeqedwe matric angazi bebengama patrons laphiyana yobehlukunyezwa guys kuthiwa amabenze izinto ezisabekayo befaka amabhodlela ngapha ngasemva. Izinto nje ezihambisana nocansi ezingavumelekile okuhlukumeza umuntu lokhiyana something like that. So yeah, le video yang traumatizer. Like sometimes ezinto on social media asifuna ukuzibona, but ngoba uyascroll uyasebenza uvela udibane nako inkosi yami yo like no abanye bayashaywa nje umuntu ashaywa azaphuma igazi athintini kodwa lento kwakuthiwa mabazenze yona ezi like ucansi ngebhodlela ayi bafowethu come on man. Noma ngabe sekuthiwa ke umuntu unesikolodo ngoba allegedly bekuthiwa ke ngathi kunebhili abangayikhokheli okuzwakala ngathi indaba zamanga kwathiwa there was a particular bill that was unsettled so kwathiwa ke okay sebehlukunyezwa nje bahlukunyezelwa yona le bill. Hayi kubuye kuthiwe indaba yamafoni bebentshontsha amafoni ubona ukuthi indlela nje zokukhava nje udodo wabo abawenza on that particular night club nje zonke lezi zikhunya ukuthi akulona iqiniso ikhona indaba wayi bebehlukunyezwa kanje yabafowethu kuze kuthiwa zenze wena ucansi uzenze ngebhodlela hayi bafowethu umuntu wesilisa kuthiwa lifake emva hayi bafowethu kodwa noma sokushiwa noma sokuthiwa usathani noma sokuthiwa usathani angivumi like kuningi ngaleya zonzo mina ngize ngingazi nokupronounce uzanzo zonzo whatever kuhlukunyezwa abantu anyway if I guys like no so kuningi eseloku kuvelile lapha uPablo lo uthi wayeyibouncer on that particular club ngizofaka ivideo kaPablo in the beginning right uthi wayeyibouncer laphana so mhlambe nawe wathola ukuhlukumezeka mhlambe he was fired or mhlambe ngoba ngathi uthi wasebenza iminyaka eminingi laphana ke manje useba expose ngoba ke yena unawo ama video ke bafethu be location nginawo ama video ngizwa expose even those who are South Africans imbalo they are South Africans obhude besebenza laphana besebenza nabo zenzo kuningi bafethu kuhlukunyezwa abantu nje kule ndawo so uPablo njengoba ezikhipha indaba manje sesesabela impilo yakhe uthi bayamdinga abanikazi baleya ndawo futhi ngathi uthi ngabantu abayingozi abantu sebekhala ngokuthi manje lo Pablo Thizeni okhipha izindaba lama video alaphana uma bengamthola bazombulala sekumele abe safe sibonile nabezindaba laphana bekha ukuthiwa ke amaphoyisa athi acela uPablo avele emaphoyiseni uPablo uzoba losizo kakhulu ukuthi asize amaphoyisa kubanjwe laba abanikazi bezanzo ngoba uPablo lona naye he is actually Congolese right sithe sisathi ke kwaba khona osisa ababili abaveli abathe bona uPablo ungotsotsi unamanga uPablo Tintini wasirobhima lethu kodwa ebantwini abaningi kwavela ukuthi ayogeli laba ngathi bathengiwe ngama owners ukuthi manje benze video thizeni benze sengathi lo Pablo lona unjani ungumuntu omubi manje ngoba nguyena ke manje osefaka abanikazi bezonzo enkingeni ngokuveza yonke information nezinto bezenzeka ngoba ama video unawo uzasho kwenye ivideo uPablo athi akuvumeleke ukuthatha ama video phakathi kwale ndawo but ngoba yini besebenza khona kusho ukuthi benendlela zakhe zokuthi awathathe lawo ma video ke manje ngoba akasebenzi khona sewasuka uyaba expose ke usebenzisa lawo ma video uze wakhipha enye ivideo eyomfana omncane obebonakele kulabo yakade behlukunyeza bafethu okwazi kwacatshwa ukuthi mhlamba akasekho nokuba khona emhlabeni wayethela umfana lokungenzeka washona ngoba ngendlela wahlukunyezwa ngakhona wasevela lo yamntana bakithi angazi ukuthi ngwase Limpopo somewhere uvelile lo bhutizo besakhuluma ngaye nje ethi yena akafuni nje kuyinto ezomhlanganisa nalezi indaba zasezonzo ngicabanga ukuthi naye uyesaba obviously ukuthi the owners are dangerous people cabanga nje maye ngavela naye aqala ukukhuluma njengoPablo inkinga impilo yakhe isezoba senkingeni kuningi nje kule ndawo bafethu ngizama ukusummarize nje story ngoba ngizange ngisenze on this particular channel so ke lo mntana lo uyala bakithi ukuthi avele amaphoyisa athi akavele aze azovula icase akafuni bekuthiwe kwakuyi 5 of them right kwavela 3 so kwase kuba nalowo velile ethi yena akafuna ukuthi uzomhlanganisa angazi ngoba ngabe sebevelile bonke amaphoyisa bekuthe mabeze bezovula icase kuzokwazi ukuthi ke kusetshenzwe ngayo le ndaba yasezanzo so kuthiwe ke abanye balapho bhuti sebevelile emaphoyiseni bavula ke lawo makhesi so kuningi ngale ndawo yasezonzo bafethu bekuloko kubonakala iMK party toyitoya laphana neEFF beyotoyitoya laphana ngathi indawo nje esivaliwe le ndawo kuthiwa izanzo ngathi seyivaliwe kuhlezi nje kunamaphoyisa nje uyabona nje the police each and every time men siyabona nje ukuthi it is a crime scene as it is Wathiwa kune-truck lake lama laphana lizama ngazi mhlawumbe bezama ukuzothatha ke yonke into engabafaka enkingeni kind of like to get rid of evidence kanti bazofica vele ke kubheda kuthiwa kukhona abafika lapha nabavimba leyo truck ukuthi ingene ithatha izinto but you are not taking anyway from this place amaphoyisa azosebenza ngale ndawo so kubonakala ngathi endaweni esemaclubini phela kuba khona idakamizwa kuba khona yonke lenhlobo yama DRUG nani so mhlambe khona bezama ukuzokuthatha bafethu kodwa ke ngebhadi kwathiwa abavunyelwanga Zololo kube ngizile kuthiwa khona sebanjiwe omunye walaba angazize owner or whatever co-owner or whatever it is when it comes to izanzo ngoba kuthiwa ba owner ama restaurant ba owner amanye ama night clubs laba bantu ngathi ngama business owners kodwa ke basebenza ngendlela embi ngoba kunokuhlukunyezwa kwabantu kulawo ma night clubs kunosiswa kwavela ngodaba le restaurant kuthiwa yini le gama la le restaurant osisi kuthiwa ke nalo baba Stephen Cohen something whatever ugeli loyo wayevelile ekhuluma ngale ya restaurant ukuthi uyiona nguye lo baba uona izenzo which makes sense uyabona ukuthi hawu uma usebenza nje kwamanye amabhizinisi akhe ayi usengxakini kukhona ukuhlukunyezwa kukhona ukungaholelwa kahle kukhona nje yonke into nje you know what I mean kulelo daba enkulu ukuthi akubanjiwe ke eYuvele wesilisa oneminyaka engu41 ubudala udabuka eCongo so ungwasekhonge ngoke ngamacala ahlanganisa ke awukudlwengula nokushaya ngenhloso yokulimaza nezigameko ke ezaqoshwa ke kuma video asabalele ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ezanzo Hatfield ngaseTshwane so kuthi oyi1 wakhona usebanjiwe lesihobo esebanjiwe uzosiza amaphoyisa ukuthi kubanjwe laba abanye bafethu. I do not know how many of kuthiwe 8 allegedly. I think I saw ezindabeni kukhulunywa ngabantu abawu8 abafuneka when it comes to that particular night club ukuthi bayafuneka bafuna ngamaphoyisa kuhlukunyezwe izingane zabantu kabuhlungu amavideo asabalala basaba ukuvela nje abantwana ngoba ihlazo guys ihlazo bakuthiwa mabasifaka amabhodlela ngasemva and they are boys benqunu bezezeze bengaqokile beshaya beboshya izandla ngasemva yo Jehova into besenziwa lapha kanti kuningi nje okwenzekayo as for ogeli laba babili abavelile bethi uPablo bebebonakala ukuthi baqamba amanga ivideo yabo ibivele nje otherwise ibibonakala ukuthi lo muntu lo ubhadala imali kodwa yenza ivideo wena uthi uPablo he's a very bad guy ngumuntu omubi nje you know hayi ivideo yabo wavela abantu they didn't buy it abantu they were like sis you girls you are very very embarrassing into eniyenzayo ibiyabonakala nje ukuthi nithengiwe because the Pablo guy is the person. Yes na ngeke sithi muhle mhlambe nazi khona izinto azenzile kodwa muhle ngoba unama video une evidence yezinto ebezenzeka laphana ezizoyenza ukuthi ke manje abantu babone ukuthi kuyenzakalani kulama night clubs you know and ezosiza amaphoyisa ukuthi babambe lezi igebengu ayamcela amaphoyisa uPablo ukuthi akavele ezobasiza. I'm sure nawe uyasaba ukuthi aye emaphoyiseni. I do not know ngoba ankezwe ukuthi uPablo usewa waya ke emaphoyiseni njengoba bemcela ukuthi uzoba lusizo kakhulu kulolu phenyo. Ngicabanga ukuthi uyesaba because this is a Congolese guy, maybe he's illegal, I do not know, but mhlambe he is legal manje usaba ukuthi ngoba naye ukwasebenza eclubini kuzothiwa nawe wenza ukuthi you know what I mean kuningi okuzokwenza ukuthi Pablo engayi ukuyosebenza namaphoyisa ukuze kubanjwe nama owners asezanzo kodwa kuthi oyedwa usebanjiwe asethembe nabanye laba u7 abasele bazobanjwa ngokuhlukumeza ingane zabantu kabuhlungu kanje isihluku lesiyabafethu ngoba uPablo uzakala ethi guys bakhona abantu abashona kule ndawo nisakhalisa ilama video kunabantu abashona baluza impilo zabo kuleya club. It's just a whole lot there hey akuzima bafethu but anyways thank you so much ukuthi ibuke video like subscribe share siphinde sihlangane kwenye landelayo bye.